a total newbie. If you don't know how to write ebook, don't worry, I get you covered in this video. So let's get started. All you have to do is to open your Google Chrome, whether you're using a mobile device or a PC, and then you search for free PLR download. So once you search for free PLR download, you see a couple of ebooks online. So you click on this first one right here. Once you click on it, you let it load. So there are a lot of websites which give out free PR ebooks. So as you can see this one. So now it open. So you look for, as you can see, these are the niches. You see a lot of niches actually here. There are a lot of niches right now. You see which you can edit and then you sell them. So I'm just gonna go with the addiction side. So let's see what the addiction niche is as for us. So you can see mastering sales funnel, vertical marketing of success, make your first $100 on the web, affiliate marketing secret, not a lot of them like that, success with Shopify, blah blah blah. So you can see there is trading, travel, traffic, yoga, YouTube, weight loss, woodworking, writing, marketing, spiritual, sports, solopreneur, Shopify, lot of more of them. So you can say combat gaming addiction, stop addictive habits, smoking, alcohol, betting, a lot of them. So I'm just gonna go with stop addictive habits. Open this right to stop addictive habits. So you can see it having 31 pages and this is the description. So scroll down and click on the download. Once you click on download, the file will download as a zip file. So if you're using a mobile device, you open your Google Chrome, you open a new tab, then you search for free zip file extractor. So you search for free zip file extractor, and then you will be able to extract the files from the zip file, because you can open the zip file on your mobile device. So but if you're using a PC, you just open your library and come to download. You right click on the zip file and click on extract file. So once you click on extract file, the file will be extracted. As you can see, you open the extracted file and then you find a couple of stuff inside the extracted file. So like this ebook, as you can see, this is the book cover and this is a book mockup. So so this is the file which we actually want to sell online. This is the actual file. So we're going to open the file. As you can see, this is the file which we actually want to sell. As you see, addiction basis, table of content. You see, it contains the 12 pages. So you just have to edit this. You are not selling it directly like this. You have to